Let's now try dividing larger numbers using the number line. Let's do 500 divided by 50. So again, we can view this in three ways. We can divide 500 into 50 separate parts and then count how many numbers are in each part, or we can divide 500 into parts that are 50 numbers long and then count the number of parts created this way, or we could also do this by counting how many times we can subtract 50 from 500. Either way, the answer is going to be the same. So if we use the third way of visualizing division and subtract 50 from 500 multiple times and see how many times we can subtract 50 from 500, we will see that we can do this up to 10 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. So the answer to 500 divided by 50 is 10. If we use the first way of visualizing division, where we split 500 into 50 equal parts, we will also see that the answer is going to be 10 because the size of each section is 10 numbers long. So we could see that there are lines from 0 to 500, and if you count these lines, there are actually 50 lines that divide 0 to 500. Now what we're going to do is we're going to know how long each of this segment is. So from 0 to 50, we have 5 lines. So this must be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So each of these segments should be 10 numbers long. And there we have it. Using another way of visualizing division, we have found the answer to 500 divided by 50, which is 10. So as you can see, the number line is a very helpful way for us to understand how the division operation works. Did this video help you? Subscribe to us or follow us so you will be the first to know whenever we upload math help tutorial videos just for you. Here are some videos and playlists you might want to watch. Keep on learning.